Hi, welcome to FacePaintcom, and these are the high-speed painting tips. You just have to know what you're painting first, get the idea in your head, get some, practice and get the gist of things. You don't want to get spend any time in getting shadows down or highlights down. You want to just put them down with one stroke. And the one strokes help a lot. The stencils help a lot. You could do so many different things to make yourself a little bit faster. You don't want to spend so much time on detail because you want to get stuff down and get it out. When you put down shadow, you don't want to spend so much time getting that shadow correct or enough of the shadow. You just want to put a little bit down and get the gist of it. Just like with the highlights, you just want to put a little bit of the highlight down. You don't want to spend too much time thinking about where the highlights are going to go. It's always the opposite of the shadowing. So you just know that's the way it's going to be, opposite sides, put it down and move forward. There's roses that, used to take us forever to do. Now that the split cakes are there, you could just do them 1, 2, 3. You have to really practice that. There's a lot of different colors that you could choose from to make the design so much more intriguing and fun. The split cakes also help with, rainbows. Back in the day, rainbows were one color at a time, and now you just make it so fast. Sometimes people have a hard time with blending, but once you get that down, you can blend objects quickly and it gives a great effect. For instance, fairies. Fairies are kind of hard to do. A lot of people can't get that body composition down, so what they do is you just take a picture of a fairy and, the stencil of a fairy, and you just lay the fairy down, and after you put your background down, you put the stencil on, do the fairy, and it's easy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to FacePaint.com for more tips on how to paint faster.